Happiness is a state of mind. Happiness is a feeling. Happiness is temporary. There are multiple versions of what people have been saying about happiness, but I'm going to tell you the root, the method. Conflicts is what takes away the happiness most of the times, isn't it? Whenever we fight with people, we feel unhappy. And then we wonder, is this relationship working for me or not? Is this person the right person for me or not? It's not the person or the relationship always. It's about your understanding of what happiness means. And that's what I want to challenge today. Conflict is not what happens between two personalities. Conflict always takes place between two perspectives, which means I think I am right about what I'm saying, and so do you. And so we're having a conflict. I want to prove that I'm right, and you want to prove that you are right. And ultimately, this settles down when one of us agrees with the other, isn't it? That's how it is. And that's where we lock horns. We get stuck.